Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a device manager is blocked by administrator in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how to fix this? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that in the search box type a sysdm.cpl. So open a sysdm.cpl. After opening that, go to your hardware. After that, click on a device manager. Close it. The second method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt. Right click run as administrator. After opening the command, first of all type a command is net space user space administrator space slash active slash form yes. Now you can see that I type this wrong world. So once again I type this command net space user space administrator admin dministrator and space slash active yes and press enter. Now you can see that the command complete successfully. Now type a command is devmg empty.msc and press enter. Now you can see the device manager is open. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.